Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Sorry I look like a hot mess. I wanted to do the video before I went to the gym, but I know that if I did it in reverse, I probably wouldn't have went to the gym, and I really wanted to go. But I still want to do this video because I have two really hot CRTs that are going to be expiring. I'm going to be using this 10 off 40 CRT. It's on the household items, laundry, paper products, and cleaners. And I have a really, really good scenario for this. So stay tuned for that. And then I got this 10% off. Typically the percent off coupons don't work very well when you're using extra bucks. So we'll see how it goes. I'm not really sure, but there's some really good deals that I want to take advantage of real quick. So I'm going to hop in the store and let's see what they have. Okay, so for all May at CVS this week, it's spend 15, get a $5 extra buck on cosmetics or makeup remover. So what I'm gonna get is two of these again. We have a spend 30, get a 9-piece beauty bag for free. Then I got a buy one, get one free for Revlon, Almay, or L'Oreal foundation. So I'm gonna pick up two of these. Two. And I'm gonna put these back. So that'll take off $14.99. I have a $3 Almay CRT as well. I'm gonna pay $11.99 out of pocket, but I'm gonna hit this twice. The limit is 6 times because I'm spending 30. So I'm gonna spend $11.99, get back $10, final cost $1.99 or just 99 cents each. Plus I'm gonna get that beauty bag. So really, really hot deal for some cosmetics. Body wash is on sale again. And this week it's even better, 2 for $7. Last week it was 2 for $8. So a lot of people are getting the CRTs, 3 off spring water or 3 off gold or 2 off gold, something like that. So I got a $3 off Manuka honey. Oh, and a $3 off coconut water. That'll take off $6. I'm gonna pay just $1 out of pocket for both, or 50 cents each. So not a bad deal there. No extra bucks, no nothing. So if you don't have any coupons or extra bucks to use, you can come in here, get 2 body wash for $1. Really, really hot deal. Again, is on sale. Spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So I come to this store for the Eucerin because they have a wider variety to choose from. So this one's only $6.29. There's no way. That has to be wrong. That's huge. Anyway, okay, we have to spend $20. So I'm gonna pick up one of these skin calming for $9.29. Now, what else is close? We have a $12.99, $12.49. Okay, so we need one more Eucerin. That's $13, $12.49. Because they don't have another one of those, or I would have grabbed that. So I'm going to grab this roughness relief. It is $12.49, so together that is going to be what, $21.70 or something like that? Something like that. So I have a $2.25 off 10 body wash. Hand lotion. Oh Lord, I'm tired. Okay, and I have 2 of these $3 off one Eucerin body lotion. If you go to eucerin.com, you can print 2 of these, which is better than using that 5 off 2 because it'll give you an extra $1 off. So that'll take off $6. That'll take off $8.25. Then we're gonna get back $10. So final cost on this, the math will be in the final breakdown, but it's gonna be roughly $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. So really hot deal. It's pretty good stuff. Pretty good lotion. I've used it before and we're getting quite a bit. So definitely take advantage of this deal. Even if you don't have the CRT, it's only taking off $2.25 anyway. It's still a really good deal. This deal I'm the most excited about. It's on household cleaners, puffs, or Vicks products. Buy one, get one half off. And they're spend 20, get a $5 extra back. Now, I was gonna include the smaller wipes, but this store doesn't have any. So I had to improvise real fast. What I'm gonna get is 2 of these Tilex. They are $5.19. The next one would be $2.39. Get 2 of those. Then I'm gonna pick up 2 of these bleach cleaners here. This one or Fresh Scent. I'm gonna get Fresh Scent. 2 of these. It'll be $5.79 and then $2.39, I believe, if my math is right. No, my math is definitely not right. $5.79. I don't know. It'll be oh god, $2.50 and 39, like $2.89. I don't know. Sorry, I'm like a freaking mess today. Okay, then the last thing we're gonna get is the bleach. So, oh God, do you literally see this right now? Like, I'm just a hot mess today. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of each. I don't know what the difference is, but that one's $2.89 and that's $2.99. So I'm gonna get one of each, but they're buy one, get one half off anyway. Oh, now that's a lot of really good cleaning supplies. So I'm really excited about that. Now for coupons, this is where part of this 10 off 40 is gonna come in, because total is gonna be $20.34. The other $20 we're gonna spend is gonna be on the Cottonelle deal, so stay tuned for that. But for the coupons for this, if you go on Clorox.com, you can print two 50-cent off one for the bleach liquid. So these were for the wipes that I was gonna use, so can't use those, but you can use two 50-cent off one for the bleach. That's for the Eucerin. They're all also want Tilex ones that I have that I'm gonna use. So that'll take off $1, $2, $3. Then we're gonna be using that 10 off 40. So it makes it a really, really hot deal, about $1.05 per item. Imagine Clorox cleaning bleach for $1.05. Super hot deal. Check in the description box for the final breakdown once we finish getting all of our items for CVS. Okay, so last thing we're gonna get is these Cottonelle Mega Rolls. You can get the 18 count, which I wanted, but they're gone. So these are on sale $9.99. Buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So we're gonna pick up two of these. In your account, there is a digital 5 off 2 coupon. You wanna clip that to your card. And this is gonna finalize the $40 spend to use that 10 off 40 CRT that I have. So final cost on these is gonna be in the breakdown at the end as well, once we're using that CRT. So I'm really, really excited about that. It's gonna be some cheap paper products.
Hey guys, okay, so to summarize my first CVS haul for this week, I did 3 separate transactions because I did one with my mom's account and one with my account. So it was a little bit more out of pocket than I wanted for the toilet paper and the cleaning supplies because I just didn't have enough extra bucks to roll over. So I wound up spending $15 out of pocket, which is kind of a lot, but you're getting 2 of the 9 equals 36 roll Cottonelle, and then you're getting all of those Clorox bleach, 2 of these, 2 of the Tilex, and 2 of the Clorox bleach cleaner. Sorry, my steering wheel's in the way. So you're getting 8 items for $15. So about $1.75 per item, which is not bad when you're talking about bleach. The Cottonelle regular price, even at Walmart, is like $15. So for $15, you're getting all of those, but that is the price I paid out of pocket. I did get back $10 in extra bucks, 5 for the Cottonelle deal and 5 for the cleaners deal. So still went very well. The first deal and transaction that I did was the Almay makeup. If I can find it. There it is. Oh no, come back. Yep, there it is. Okay. So the first deal I did was on the Almay makeup. So, oh, I should have used this. Oh, dag nabbit. I had another coupon I could have used. Hate when I do that. So I picked up 2 of these. They were $14.99 each. Had that BOGO coupon that took off $14.99. Then I had a $3 CRT, so I paid $11.99, got back a $10 extra buck. Final cost was $1.99 out of pocket. And then I also did the dial deal with that. So I got 2. I got 1 Manuka honey and 1 coconut water. So that was $7. Took off 2 $3 CRTs. Final cost was $1. So out of pocket, I'm trying to find my receipt for you guys. Of course, I'm not organized again. Sorry about that. Where is it? Yeah, I don't know where my receipt is. I don't know where that first receipt is. It might be at the house. Yes, it is at the house, I'm sorry. But final out-of-pocket on that was about $3, and that included taxes. So that was not bad for the 2 Almay foundations and the 2 Dial body wash. And then for the Almay, we got back the $10 in extra bucks for hitting Almay twice. That beauty CRT that I showed you, it wasn't working, and the cashier I had got really flustered very easily, and you could tell just didn't really quite understand the CRTs and how to use them and stuff. So I was just like, whatever, don't worry about it. She should have put it through. It should have worked, but it didn't, and I didn't want to mess with it. It was late, and I kind of wanted to get home and eat because I was starving after the gym. The next deal I did was on all the Cottonelle. I'll show you guys my receipt as usual. So these are the Cottonelle, all the Clorox, Tilex, and the bleach. Coupons, 2 of the 50-cent coupons did not work for some reason. They were beeping, I'm not sure why. Again, I didn't press the issue because she was getting all flustered and just having a cow. Here's the $5 off 2 digital coupon for the Cottonelle. 50 cents was another, is that Cottonelle? It is. I had another 50-cent digital coupon that worked, which is weird, but cool. $10 off 40. So that is the 10 off 40 CRT that I had for the household products. And this is a $10 CRT. So final was $13.37 with taxes. $15.54 is what I paid out of pocket for all of that. Got back another $10 in CRTs that I will be rolling for my next transaction. And my last transaction that I did was on the Eucerin. So I got the 2 lotions. If I can get them out for you here. So I got the 2 lotions, and this is a really nice lotion, especially with it being cold outside. I live in Florida and my hands still crack. They're very sensitive and stupid. So these 2 lotions here. Total I paid out of pocket on these was about, I don't remember. It was like $2 or $3 though. So it wasn't bad for the 2 Eucerin. I did use some extra bucks to pay as well. I used, I believe, $10 in extra bucks, so it was a few dollars plus taxes. And I lost that receipt as well. Oh my gosh, I just don't understand. Hold on. I try to always keep my receipts in the bag so that when I show you guys, I can show you everything. But I didn't do that for some reason with these. So all in all, it was still a very successful trip. I highly recommend it. There's some good deals at CVS. I just don't have that much extra bucks lately. I don't know why. But I don't have a lot of extra bucks to bring down the out-of-pocket cost. So that's why I haven't done like a big haul at CVS this week, because I try to keep my out-of-pocket as low as possible, especially if I don't need the items. If I'm just gonna be donating it or, you know, giving it to family and friends, I try not to spend a lot out-of-pocket. And I try to keep it down for you guys as well to make sure that it's not a lot for you guys and you guys can still take advantage of these deals. If you have any cash cards from previous weeks or anything like that, you guys can use that to help pay down the out-of-pocket, and then you may not pay anything out-of-pocket, which is always ideal. Cash cards is the same as cash, so that can help a lot. If you guys have been doing the cash card deals, you guys can use that to help pay down your out-of-pocket. And if your mom does the cash card deal, she can give you the cash card and you can use it on your account or whatever. They're not linked to an account, which is really great. So I didn't do the cash card deal this week. I will try to post at least an option for you guys in the description box for the cash card deal. Next week, there's really, really good cash card deals, so I will definitely be doing that next week, so stay tuned for that. Again, in the description box is going to be the printable breakdown for you guys of the deals that I did yesterday. And if you have any questions, of course, just make sure you drop a comment, let me know. Again, I did 3 separate transactions so I can help roll over those extra bucks to try to pay as little out of pocket as possible. And if you're not subscribed yet, please take a minute and hit that subscribe button for me. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize and have this as a little side hustle for me. So make sure you hit that notification bell as well. That way when I post new videos, you guys will be notified and you won't miss out on any hot deals. I will be doing another Walgreens haul. Don't forget, for the beauty event, it starts on Friday. So we have a $7,000, or $7,000. Holy moly, that would be sick. No, 7,000 points, which is equal to $7 when you spend $25 on beauty. And there is a Nexus deal to pair with that, so it's gonna be a nice freebie and a moneymaker. So stay tuned for that. I'll make sure that I post that later on this week. I will go on Friday and I will post my deals. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.